Previously on Zach Attack 1.
No, I don't want to go down this.
He psyched himself out.
I did psych myself out. I'm shaking.
Tom got super scaredy pants and couldn't get down this hill.
This isn't even that bad. I just don't know. It's the fact there's a tree right there.
It's his time. His glory. He's got to go for it.
Whoa, 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 roll it. Keep it rolling.
Okay, that is one way to do it.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, okay, that is one way to do it. Here.
The internet is going to just...
The internet's going to be really upset.
It's going to run with that and just... We're never going to hear the end of it.
Let Tom never hear the end of it in the comments below.
It was not hard. I just psyched myself out.
It was just soft. Yeah, baby. Yeah,
all right,
baby.
we're on. We're moving.
Yeah, baby.
You're a terrible human being. Hi.
All right, we're moving. I've got a clinger.
I've got a friend. You and me are best friends.
Clear.
I'd call that more a hanger. Hangers are worse because they're like when a dog has an issue. Wowzers, I'm so cool. That was cool. Now this is a wet spot. I have a feeling with time, these are going to get pretty bad. They're going to get more wet.
How's it going? What's
I
up?
have like a tree stuck in my chain guide.
You got a tree stuck in your chain guide?
Yeah, I think.
Stop the party! Tom has got a tree stuck in his chain guide.
A full-size tree?
No, it's like this little twig, but it's causing... I can feel it.
Uh-oh.
It's causing drag.
It's causing drag. That's slowing you down. You can't have drag.
Nope.
What?
That was causing major
Well, I
drag.
thought my rear brake was locking up.
Oh, no.
That was nothing.
So how you thinking the trail? It's got to get burned in.
Yeah, I think so.
Once it gets burned in and I open some...
It needs someone to walk it with a chainsaw.
No.
To clear... Come on, let's go. I'm ready to rip, Tater Chip.
Let's rip, Tater Chip.
Oh.
This, again,
Oh.
it's going to get ugly after it gets ripped up a few more times. It's already bad as it is. Tom's complaining.
Oh, baby!
There, you want a rev limiter? There's a rev limiter.
Everybody wants to hear the rev limiter, don't they? Thumbs up if you do.
Oh, you didn't do that to me, you little... camera. I will... Oh, cool. That wasn't as great as his.
Now here we have a downhill turn for the worst. It's a downhill right-hander over a log. Yeah, it's kind of a pain in the butt. Actually, it's a big pain in the butt. All right, yeah, there's got to be some trail clearing here. There's a log sticking out. There's logs on the ground. It's a dangerous situation. That's just how we like it. I should just put daggers and spears along the trail as well. Honeybee Hill. Gotta come up that. That one's tricky. It was part of the old loop system, if you remember it. And then we got all these weird things here. And now we have...
Where's it go, Zach? Please, no. Don't.
This corner on the side of this cliff here. It's not really a cliff, but it requires pushing. Hey, this is to give you a little workout. Tom should be happy about this.
You could turn right here, but you turn right there.
Well, that's the easy way out. I mean, if you want to be a little cheater, baby butt.
You're so stupid. I hate you.
He's in a happy place right now.
Tom is filing more complaints. 20 minutes later, he has advanced about 4 inches. He's about to make the pivot.
There you go. Now lift the wheel. Lift the front wheel. Gas and front wheel it. There you go. There you go. It's starting to wear in, though. It's starting to wear in. Oh, look at this. Uh-oh. There you go. There you go. There you go. This is hard enduro training. Hard enduro training.
No, it's not.
Pushing. Hard enduro
Not even
pushing.
they would do something like that.
I gotta get a pickaxe. I'm gonna cut it in. Cut a side hill in.
Maybe if they had a pickaxe.
I gotta just, you know, I haven't done everything yet. But it's actually wearing in.
They would have had it turn right
The
here.
first time I did it, I went down there.
What?
It sucked so much butthole. I got so mad that I was like, man, this sucks. But then I've worn it in. It's starting to get better. It's definitely getting better.
You
So I
need
think
to chop those roots away.
no, that's part of the
Or
fun.
move that one rock.
Tom is Mr. Paving Queen over here. Oh, I gotta move this rock and this tree
Well,
and that.
yeah, that's a big
The
rock
issue is
probably.
It's not rideable.
Well, you know, some of it has to be a little bit hard. I mean, you can't make it too easy. Hydrophobic E-start.
Like, seriously?
All right, so this is a challenge to get Tom through
What's
here.
going on up there? Oh, he's trying to ride his dirt bicycle.
Downhill. Turn. I hate you. I truly hate you.
Take a left and go down the hill.
Are you kidding me? What are you doing?
He skips it.
Yeah.
Now over here, we gotta name this hill, but this is a really tough one. It's designed to be tough. You gotta get up, and I mean, Tom had a rough start, and now it's just straight up. Somehow, a miracle hits him here, and he gets his 4-stroke up. It just crawls.
All right, there we go. I didn't take second gear. I should not have done that in second gear with this bike. No. Come on.
Yes. You gotta go down. It's not that bad. You got some stone. Okay, it's slippery. It's very slippery. It's a little scary. I don't know why I find that so funny. It's just like it sounds like a rocket. We'll have to call this a rock slide, or maybe something more creative. We'll come up with something.
Why can't you just go down this?
That's going to be the bypass, but we don't have a bypass yet.
Where are you going?
So you got to go
Are you
up.
dropping straight down the bank?
No,
Oh,
you're
no.
going.
No.
No. Sometimes I mistake Tom as my mother.
You're going up this way. That is hard. I'm not going to lie.
Okay, this one is very difficult. Oh, he's got it. Oh. Sadness.
Stupid piece of Alright.
Positivity? No. Tom is so distraught. He throws himself to the ground. Our friend Tom is very sad. He can't ride his dirt bike no more.
Not again, God.
Oh, no.
What's going on back there? What are you doing?
I look like a soccer player out there.
Oh, keep it going.
We gotta keep pushing this thing. We get it through, then you gotta come down, do a little swirly poo.
I always just...
Right-hander.
Oh, come on.
And then a little hop off of this
You gotta be kidding me.
into some rocks.
Is this a sick joke?
Yikes. Yikes.
And then at this point, the cameras are out of the battery. So we ran back, grabbed some more batteries, little recharge, and rekindling.
This is the gayest thing we've ever done. Oh, my butt's sore.
What?
Alright,
That's
now
why
we're
your
going.
butt's sore.
Mystery solved on why Tom's butt was sore. Now we keep moving.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the end. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Are we going... No. That's not possible. We're not going up that.